Adjust the router bit so that the shank of the bit extends approximately 1/8 inch to 3/8 inch beyond the router base. Place 2 spacers on a workbench to support the tile. Place the ceiling tile on the spacers. Place the Oberon router template on top of the tile that is to be cut. Move the router so that the shank of the router bit is pressed lightly against the inside edge of the template, and move the router around the entire inner circumference of the template's opening. Remove the template from the tile. The tile is now ready for installation.